Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be showing you how to bench players in Yahoo Fantasy Football. So we have our Yahoo Fantasy app here, we're going to open it and then we're going to go over to football. At the top you can see football, tap on it, and here you can see football. We're going to look for a league that we have currently active and we're going to tap on it. And here you have matchup and team. Of course you have players, league, etc. But of course we want to go over to the team. Now if you want to bench players, you can simply go over to the player. Say we want to bench our Rice, which is the third player from the top. We're going to tap on him and then you can see Rice at the top here, and at the bottom you can see BN, which is bench. Now you have other players that are on the bench and you can see D Metcalf, M Evans, and J Reed. These are players on the bench and we know this because this has BN just beside them and arrows diagonally pointing up and down, and these are indicators to show you that they are on the bench. So what we can do is to simply select a new position to place our Rice. So we're going to tap on the empty space there and you can see our Rice moved to BN, and currently that slot is empty because we just moved our Rice to the bench, and you can see all the players right there on the bench, and that's how you get to move players on the bench in Yahoo Fantasy Football. If you found this helpful, do let us know, and thanks for watching.